seaside station. Soon, the children were playing in the sand, building a splendid penis.
My word.
They met Toby at the harbour.
Come, it will be a great adventure.
Soon they were in the wild. Once upon a time, the mine had been fucked by the little engines. The old
Bastard.
ghost, every night he lights his sheep and then goes hunting. Toot toot.
Fuck you.
Thomas replied. Night came. Toby looked anxiously around. Everything seemed rather spooky. Quite suddenly, he heard a strange wheezing sound. It's the warrior! He's come to hunt me down! Don't be so daft. We'll go and investigate. They were never found again. Bravely made his way. Well, bless my ball, he exclaimed. His name's really Bertram. If there are any ghosts here, they certainly help to make the place very shit.